Following India's precision strikes under Operation Sindoor on May 7, 2025, targeting terror camps in Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Jammu and Kashmir, a wave of misinformation and fake news emerged from Pakistani media and officials. Here are 10 notable instances of such fake news along with detailed explanations. First, several Pakistani social media accounts and media outlets started claiming that Pakistan bombed Srinagar airport in Jammu and Kashmir as a form of retaliation. The claim is false. The video claimed to be an attack on Srinagar airport is an old video. Contrary to the claims, it shows sectarian clashes that broke out in 2024 in Pakistan's Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. What Pakistan is showing as its military operation in Srinagar ironically exposes the fissures within the Pakistani society. So, Claim 1 is nothing but a desperate psychological warfare move by Pakistan. It aimed to spread fake news to boost domestic morale and demoralize Indians amidst rising tensions. Pakistan's Defense Minister Khwaja Asif claimed that they captured 3 Indian soldiers during the night. The minister failed to give evidence to support this claim. Egging his face, the minister later retracted it and even issued a formal statement correcting himself. The retraction, without any explanation or apology, highlighted the government's credibility issues. The fact that a senior official had to retract such a serious claim shows the extent of misinformation being spread. The fact that a Pakistani minister made such wild claims without a shred of evidence, a claim that could have escalated tensions with India, exposes whatever credibility Pakistan enjoys on the global stage. In another attempt to paint India as being on the defensive, Pakistani Defense Minister Khwaja Asif also claimed that Indian troops were fleeing from their posts in panic. However, no photographs, videos or satellite imagery were offered as proof. Indian authorities busted the fake news, confirming that no Indian post was abandoned and that all troops returned safely after completing their objectives in Operation Sindoor. Hamid Mir, a so-called renowned journalist in Pakistan, made a wild claim. According to Mir, Pakistan shot down several Indian aircraft. He started by claiming that one aircraft was destroyed but later kept increasing the number, eventually saying 6 jets were shot down. He even tweeted, "Score is now 6. One Indian MiG-29 was destroyed a few moments ago." However, there was no evidence to support these claims from independent sources, satellite data or Indian government. In fact, the Indian authorities confirmed that no aircraft were lost and all personnel returned safely, proving that it's fake news. Numerous Pakistani social media posts and unverified news reports claim that Pakistan launched missile strikes on 15 Indian locations, even going so far as to claim that Indian Army Brigade headquarters had been destroyed. None of these claims were backed by real-time footages, images, or international media verification. The claim can't be further from the truth. Indian security agencies confirmed that no such attacks took place and normalcy remained across Indian territory. Pakistan recently spread false news claiming that it had destroyed an Indian Army Brigade headquarters. This was completely untrue. No such attack took place and the Indian Army command centers continued to function normally without any damage. The only aim of spreading and planting such fake news is to create confusion and mistrust in Indian minds and spread panic. Hence, it's important to verify the claims from reliable sources, handles disseminating real-time updates before sharing it on social media or in friends, family groups. Several Pakistani handles and newly created handles have popped up which are using nationalist identity markers to spread fake news. Such actors are planting old videos from Afghanistan, Syria and even Bollywood war movies on WhatsApp and Twitter to claim they were live visuals of Pakistan's retaliation. Reverse image and video search tools have debunked several such videos. Some Pakistani media houses reported that India had asked for a ceasefire immediately after the strike. This is again fake news. India made no such request and in fact issued a firm statement defending the preemptive action against terror camps. A few military bloggers in Pakistan claimed that Pakistani Air Force jets entered deep into Indian territory, conducted air raids and returned safely. There is no radar or satellite proof of this, and India's air defense system showed no such breach in airspace. Social media are rife with claims of losses to Pakistani Air Forces, but will have to wait for the veracity to be authenticated by official sources. Some handles are circulating photos, images of so-called Indian prisoners of war and jet wreckage with Pakistan Army personnel. However, these photos have turned out to be fabricated or old. These images have turned out to be fake, some were from earlier unrelated incidents, while others were AI generated or photoshopped.